This is a 920 trade, and what's the 920 trade? It's Brian's trade book. So you buy at the 20 moving average on the very strongest stocks and you get the pullback. All right, guys, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm gonna do the quick recap for everybody. We had a really good day. Markets really didn't gap up much, but it started reaping higher, very strong, and we had an amazing day. I had a really solid day. So what happened? So markets, as I mentioned, markets really didn't do much at the open. The Qs were gapping up a little bit, but not much. IWM was red, SPY was red. But what happened was we realized that the market really started reaping higher, especially QQQ started very strong at the open, and just the previous day close, couldn't go up, and it started going higher. And if you remember last week, what happened at the Friday during the close, we got a really big rally. So this might be a dead cat bounce, more lower, or it might slowly recover, or it might just chop around. Nobody really knows. That's $1 million question. But the most important thing is, as day traders, we can actually have really good trading opportunities on that. So I had traded TQQQ and NVDA. 5-minute open range breakdown on NVDA. Sorry, break up on NVDA. So no trade for me at the first 5 minutes. After this rip, look at this candlestick with volume. I added for a potential 5-minute open range breakup, dropped a little bit, added more heavily on that, and as you see, we got ripped from 233 all the way up to 35. I added back a little bit here, and it dropped below the VWAP, and I got stopped out. And it was unfortunate, but you better protect yourself. As soon as I saw that it's really ripping back higher, I went back heavily to 34 and all the way up. Now I'm still in there. I want to get to 240, and I did add one more in there. So I can show it to you. I'm gonna add one more here. Yeah, so from 234 all the way up to 39, and then I did a 920 trade here on this pullback. As you see, we want to get the break of high of the day and see potentially we can go to 240. I think we might be able to. Market seems really strong. So this is a 920 trade, and what's the 920 trade? It's Brian's trade book. So you buy at the 20 moving average on the very strongest stocks and you get the pullback. And yeah, I see big ask here on the level 2, and hopefully we can get there. And I still have actually 1,500 shares in there. That was mine. And then I also had TQQ, which is the leverage for IWM. Pretty much the same trade that I did actually. A 5-minute opening range breakup again, because QQQ was very strong, and at 57.42 sold, added but got stopped out, but again added back heavily, and now we're going to go to 60. Beautiful. So as you see, I am close position. I am, what is that, $27,000 position, and I still actually have a lot of position open. So really nicely. So it's going to be probably over 30 grand day for me. So my TNA positions are hedged, as you see here, between 60 and 40. I hedged my position until July. I'm still holding it. TQQ is running up, and yeah. So Brian, how was your trade? You tell us.
Yeah, no, it was good. I was watching Tesla at the open because it was strong. It just looked strong really at the in the pre-market. I was also watching JD, and because it seemed fairly strong, so got the nice JD entry. I waited a little bit on this pullback at Tesla, got in, and yeah, I got about a decent move out of Tesla and a decent move out of JD. So yeah,
so you
both
traded Tesla
really
long
good
gap.
trades.
You mentioned that it was going to go above 900, and it did. So
yeah,
amazing day, to be honest with you. Very solid day. Right now we are a little bit toppy up there, so I don't know if it's gonna go higher or not. Market internals are very strong according to Jared, and actually what I can here bring it is we're building a terminal right now. It's called the Market Insider. This is still under development, but today's performance, what you're seeing here is the consumer discretionary up, technology up, and energy and healthcare, they were down, but now they're slowly coming up. Last week, energy and technology were up. Technology really got a relief. And last month, the only sector that was strong in the whole January was energy. Everything else was really, really beaten up. So hopefully we are getting a bounce out of, again, nobody knows this. This is a dead cat bounce, or we're gonna get it really things. And this is something that's still on production. We haven't released that yet, but we got to get the earning calendars here, and a lot of information you're slowly adding in there for stocks. All the fundamentals data, float, and everything is going to be analyst recommendation, and all the information about the ETFs and stuff. So the name you have marketinsider.info and Bearable Terminal, but we might later rebrand it to something nicer. And obviously all the news, breaking news, Squawk, and everything we have. More than that, we have the stock market simulator, guys. That's also something that's free to use for everyone. We fixed a couple of bugs on it, and we're gonna add a couple of really nice features on there, a scanner and everything, free for everyone. Make sure you just go and use it. And if you did, give us your feedback, share with your network, and also if you enter your email, then Ayman and Megan is gonna send you ideas for trade to help. So that's stocktradingsimulator.com. And that's it, guys. Yeah, really solid day. Tesla is really going up. Again, IWM is going to go up. Let's see what Qs are going to go up, higher or not. NVDA, I got out a little bit more on the NVDA. I might actually hold this TQQQ, see if we can go above 60. So these are the positions that I have. Let's see how it goes. And as you know, I have a couple of puts on TNA, so I hedge my position until July. That's it. Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. I mean, this was a this was a really good day for sure. There was just buy almost anything, and it was definitely a risk-on day. So, and you could tell that just before the open, because obviously the Qs were the index that was the only index that was actually green as it started out the day, but now we're all in the green. So, yeah, good day.
A very, very good day. Thank you so much, guys, and see you tonight in the webinar. If you're a new member, guys, make sure to come at 7 p.m. You can sign up for a trial. Don't really invest too much into any community before giving a trial. And Mike and Carlos and I are going to help you through the process, and then Kyle is going to have the technology class. And if it's a really good community fit for you, then sign up for, because these communities and educations are generally very expensive, so you don't want to spend too much money without getting to know and feel of the community. Have a good day, guys, and see you tonight in the class, if not tomorrow in the chat room.